received another part of my package from WestCoastSeeds. It's not all of it still, but we're almost there on getting it. This is most of what I originally ordered. I did add to my order afterwards because they ended up getting things in stock while I waited for them to ship out stuff. So I have like moss and then another type of bean and another type of bean that are coming. And I think I have one other thing, but I don't remember what it is off the top of my head. But in here, I know I got a type of squash that I'm excited to try. So it's just a tiny box this time with a little opening. And it looks like, well, we don't need you to see that. It looks like this on the inside. And yeah, so the one type of squash is, if I can find it, so I got beans, the cassoulet beans. These are a white type of bean. I got another type of corn, and this one is a calico popcorn, and it is what it sounds like. So it's a multicolored popcorn. It is not an eating corn, so don't even try to. You can use it for decoration though too. I got some spinach, some more broccoli. This one's a organic version. Cucumbers, lemon cucumbers. So these guys look like lemons. I got pink popcorn. So again, it's pink, not for eating, for... Oh, golden pearls. So these are supposed to taste like tomatoes. They're a relative in some way, but they're not exactly the same. So my hope is when I eat these, I don't get any sort of reaction from them, and then I can make my own like tomato sauces using this. So it'll taste similar, but not be from tomato plants. So this is the squash here. It's a mashed potatoes squash, so I can't eat potatoes, so I'm hoping this does taste like potatoes, and if it does, I'm going to be so happy because I've missed potatoes. Borage, it's a flower herb sort of thing. You can eat it, and then it helps and benefits your garden in keeping different pests away. I got some pumpkins because you can never have enough pumpkins, and I just ran out. These are the Naked Bear ones. I got, spinach, red Aztec spinach, so it's different. I got yellow doll baby melons. This is a watermelon that is yellow. Oh, they actually put it in here. Okay, black turtle beans. So I got those ones in here too. So I didn't get the moss and I didn't get the tricolor beans that are in here. I'm excited for this one because black beans, I try to find dry ones, but I can't find anything with a gluten-free symbol on it. So this will definitely help me a lot. And then I got Taylor horticultural ones. Have no clue what they taste like, but I'm hoping they taste good because it's my only hope. And then, let's see what this is. Okay, so usually they come in packets that look like this, but lately they've been coming in packs like this because they have ran out of packets because they're filling so many seed orders. So they're going to eventually get back all the same ones, but for now they just have these.